one match, India versus Pakistan, will walk over 1 billion unique viewers. So lots of cool stuff. Even though it's kind of centered around the Asia, South Asia and all of that, it's viewed all over the world though. So, Machaao bot, what we do, and also why is it important for the cricket viewers to use this bot is because cricket is a very long game. It lasts sometimes 5 days, sometimes 8 hours, and sometimes some shorter durations too. And nobody wants to be glued to the TV, for the whole time. So this is a cool way to get updates, right? It's very personalized, so you don't have to get like every 2 minutes, you can get it every so often. You can configure all of that, and we're going to do a demo in a little bit, and Harshal is going to show us, how that works. So we let the users do the following things. They can follow teams. I think there is another bot also today that does same things for the American sports mostly. So we let you follow the teams, check the schedules, follow players, and so on and so forth. There's also some engaging features coming up, like we want to do the trivia episode there, and we want to do some fantasy cricket, that kind of thing. Thanks again, Dashbot, for having us today. We've been having a blast. Just so you guys know, someone asked like how long did it take and how many people did it take, and we're literally 6-week-old startup, actually 8-week-old startup with 6-week-old product, right? So we're looking. We adopted Dashbot. We heard of it a little late in the game, so we adopted it midway through. We actually have over 40,000 users, so we're pretty proud of that. I'll stop here and let Harshal. He's the founder, by the way. He's going to do the demo. Thank you.
You guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Great, so I don't need the speaker, I guess. Right. So my name is Harshal, and thank you again, Art. I'll just take 3 more minutes. Okay? Yeah. Right. I just want to go through the intro a little bit more, what we are trying to build here, right? So how many of you like sports here? Like at this, most of us, right? Right? Some of you like football, some of you like soccer, same thing, depending on which country you come from, what your context is, right? But what I thought was more important is like, imagine a time, right? Imagine a time where you could say that, send me an update when Steph Curry gets a 3-pointer. Wouldn't that be cool? Send me an update when Warriors get 3 points up. All those magic moments, right? You don't want to watch the whole game. You just can watch those magic moments, right? And that's where the inspiration came from, right? But I like cricket. I love cricket. I play cricket, right? Being from India, right? Originally, I love cricket, and that's the reason I was like, okay, I know cricket. Let's build something for cricket. So keeping that in mind, we have built a technology that essentially lets you go drill down to the context of it, right? So just not Steph Curry, just not India, just not USA. Think about Rio Olympics right now. Wouldn't it be lovely if you get a thing saying that, oh, when did America win a gold medal? Every time, update me. Let me know. 2 medals, silver medal, anything, right? For that. So keeping that context in mind, let me give you a demo of what I have. It's not as good as Hipmunk, but we are more on the conversational platform bit of it. I like more conversations, right? I love when people talk to me, and I like talking to people as well. So let me give you a quick demo, right? And let's see if you like it or not. Okay. So first step, right? Simple. I message the bot. So what do I need? I need score. So okay, give me the live score. There, you got the live score right now. The 2 games going on. The score is West Indies was India. India is 234 for 5. I'm not gonna go into deep stats there. Cricket is a pretty complex game. Let me give you some dive down stats though. Let me explain what this bot does. So that's all good and dandy, right? You got the score. Awesome. One thing here, what I've learned from the bot experience, is that I think bot makers are trying to, say that, oh, you know what? Hi, and then you respond back, right? But I think the other way of doing this is re-engaging the user. Let's make the user come back. Let the bot tell you, come back, man. I want you back. 1 more minute, right? 1 more minute. So how do you do that? So you say, so which team you want to follow? So I follow India, for example. So, okay, now it says, India it is. Okay, when do you want updates? Do you want every wicket, every 5 overs, every 3 overs? This could be in baseball, every 50 points. Or it could be, in basketball, I mean. You see how bad I am in other sports, right? In different contexts. Let's say I want 5 overs. I said fireworks. Hey, believe me, it works. Right now, there's no game going on. This was the previous game. So let's say I want to change it now. So it said, let's assume that it sent me the notification, right? So I was like, okay, you know what? Now send me 1 wicket. So hopefully it should work. And it changed it back. So you will get 1 wicket. Similarly, it could be for different sports altogether. We're working on a lot of features here. We're working on user engagement. I'm proud to say, according to Facebook stats, we have more than 50% engagement. We're trying to improve that. We're trying to gamify this thing, and I hope that all of you guys can give me good feedback here. Thank you so much. Yeah, please, shoot questions. I like questions.
I have a question. Does
Please.
Facebook give you like a comparative, what's the normal engagement? Is 50% good or bad according to Facebook?
We don't know that yet. That's the
Yeah.
reason we're trying to figure it out with dashboard.
Yeah.
How did you guys do your marketing? It seemed like you had 20,000.
That's a secret, I'll tell you later. That's right. You're going to pay me for that. Just kidding.
But that's 40,000 users, by the way.
40,000.
Yeah.
So it's about a month old, right? About 40. The key is not 40,000 users. The key is 15,000 engaged users. That's the key.
Any others? Well, thanks for presenting.
Thank you, guys.